Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back, everyone. In our last lesson, we learned the Arabic alphabet from Alif to Ya. Today, we are taking the next step in our Quran reading journey. Knowing the letters is important, but knowing how to pronounce them is even more important. That is where the harakats come in. These small signs brings the letters to life and help us read words correctly. So, let's begin and learn how to identify and read the harakat. Another thing you will notice is that Arabic letters can change their shape. The same letter may look slightly different when it comes at the beginning of a word, the middle of a word, or at the end of the word. Don't worry, it's still the same letter. As we go through these lessons, we'll learn to recognize the letters in all the different forms. Now look carefully at the letters beside each picture. The letters are the same ones we learned before, but now they are being used inside words. They are written like they're being used inside words. Notice how some letters change the shape depending on where the word are. There is no more in Arabic writing. Our job is to identify the letter and read it correctly. Now let's start with Fatiha. Harakas, we have three basic types of harakas. We have Fatiha, we have Kesra, we have Dhamma. In this lesson, we'll be taking only Fatiha for now. Fatiha is it's a kind of haraka that gives every letter you put it on, it gives them the sound A, as in bat, as in cat, as in abi, as in happy, you know, and every other examples you can bring with the sound A. Now, we have Haraka Fatiha on letter Alif. How are we going to pronounce it? Alif with the Fatiha would be A. We have another type of Alif here. It's still the same thing, but it's just in different forms. This one also is Alif Fatha A, while this is Hamza Fatha A. That makes us have A, A, A. Good. Let's proceed. We have Ba. We have another Ba, and we have another Ba. Ba with the Fatiha would sound as Ba. Ba with the Fatiha would sound as Ba. And lastly, this one also is Ba. It should also sound as Ba. Now to join the three of them together, they are Ba, Ba, Ba. Let's proceed to the next letter. We have Ta here. There's a four ways of writing Ta. Wow, that is wonderful. Ta, 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 ta. We proceed. Tha, 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 tha. Jim, ja, ja, ja. Ha, 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 ha. Kho, 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 kho. Dal, da, da, da. Dhal, da, da, da. Now, what have we noticed? Whenever we see the Fatiha above a letter, we open our mouths and give the letter an A sound. Fatiha always says A. Remember that. Fatiha always says what? A. So when we have a Ba with Fatiha on top of it, it will sound as what? Ba. When we have a Jim with Fatiha on top of it, it will sound as what? Ja. When we have a Dhal with Fatiha on top of it, it will sound as the. Now let's test ourselves. If I put Fatiha on Alif here, how's it going to sound? Ah, good. What about Ba? Ba, Ta, Tha. We have Jim here. Jim with the Fatiha would sound as what? Ja, mashallah. Ha, Kho, Dal with the Fatiha. Da, Dhal with the Fatiha. Dha. The next line, Jim. You can see it's the same thing. It's the same thing as this one here. It's just we have different forms of writing the alphabet. We'll get there inshallah. You might not understand now, but we're going to get there. Jim with a Fatiha, Ja, Ha, Kho, Ba again, Ta again, Tha, Da, Tha, and lastly, Alif with the Fatiha, A. We're going to stop here for today. Then in our next class, we proceed and take more examples and more class works. Inshallah, may Allah spare our lives. Assalamu alaikum.